Nick. Oh my god, you're doing that on purpose. No.
Give me the hockey stick.
I don't want to. Hurry up, I'm hungry.
How do you even see the spider there?
I don't know, kill it.
No, you just deliberately look.
Yeah, kill it.
Put it up there. Shut up, Jade. Close the door.
No, I don't want to be in here. No. Just kill it. Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Here, put...
No. Close the door.
No, kill it.
I'm not touching it.
If you love me, you'll do it.
I need to pee.
If you love me, you'll do it right now before you need to pee.
I can't pee this. Come on.
If you love me, you'll do it.
I can't touch it. I'm scared.
Kill it.
Can you immediately kill it?
You know how small this looks on the camera? Everyone's gonna go like, what a pussy. Kill it. Oh my gosh.
Jack, shut up. I'm telling you, shut up. Just be quiet.
Put the thing on it. Put the thing on it. Can you put that to me?
Can you not look at this place? Jade, look. Maybe you start to look. Oh, before I close the door. Where's the fly spray?
I said put the thing on it. So you can smush it. But clean it. Clean it's dead. I got a cramp. Oh my god, I got a cramp. No, get away from me, God. It's over there. Yeah. Take the camera so you can see how big it is. I'm not. Now put it in the bin. Put it in the bin.
I'm not touching it.
It's dead.
Just checking.
Oh, poor thing. That's as close as you come to it next to me. Oh my god. No, Nick, please, that's enough. Nick! Nick! Nick!
So probably gonna talk. Story of my life. God, it's really cold.
Why don't we go inside and we can talk and I'll call you back.
Nick, if you love me, you won't do anything. Nick! Huh? Nick, please, can you take it aside?
Oh, Erica, I have been worried sick about you. Why aren't you answering your phone? What is the point of having a phone unless you answer it? Hey, Dad!
God, you're safe.
You know I called the police when you jumped out the
All
window.
that.